How to fix iOS 17 draining battery issue on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to fix the battery draining issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update, launch the settings application and firstly, let's go ahead and turn off a few settings that require a lot of unnecessary battery. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security and then on Location Services. Here, turn off Location Services for the apps that don't require location services. Tap on the app and set the location access to Never. Also, in Location Services itself, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on System Services. Here too, toggle off the features which do not require location service. Now go back to Settings and tap on Notifications. Go ahead and turn off notifications from apps you do not want notification from. Also tap on General and then on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh again and select the Off option. Now tap on Battery and then go ahead and toggle off the button for low power mode. Go back and tap on Display and Brightness and set the appearance to dark as dark mode consumes lesser battery compared to light mode. In Display and Brightness again, make sure the auto lock is set to 30 seconds and your issue should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.